Good morning, or great day, or afternoon, or evening, or whatever it is, or if there's another time frame, good to that too. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, quote, say hello. Just do something. Please share it. If you learn anything from this, if that's possible, please pass it on. Anyway, I appreciate you following me. I appreciate you watching this video, and let's go forward. So, as it's been my current practice, today's joke. Uh, so what? So what? So what if I don't know what Armageddon means? It's really not the end of the world. Again, today's joke came from little Bruce T. And again, thank you, Bruce, for all your wonderful humor, etc. Um, Shout out to my millions of subscribers, and in particular to the Bruin in NoCal. He knows who he is. WS, you know who you are. Anyway, shout out to you. Go Bruins. So what I'm doing in this video, I'm trying to do something a little bit different. Today is April 22nd, 2023, and I'm setting this video to play on or about April 27th, 2023. And I'm gonna be unable to change it. So if I'm incredibly wrong, there's a nice record of it. And I'm not always right, that's for sure. So today's video, or at least the portion I'm going to talk about, relates to the ongoing seeming dispute that is arising between Tesla and Microsoft. And it appears this has been going on now for some time, but in recent times, it appears to be heating up. Now, ordinary sparring between major companies, it happens. Tesla has been sparring with Apple for quite some time. I know that Elon Musk and Tim Cook have somewhat of a rivalry there. So it happens. But that's now on the back burner. And it appears that in the current time period, that the real battle is now between Tesla and Microsoft. And it appears that it arises out of course, the new fad or potential amazing technology involving AI, artificial intelligence. And as a result of that particular technology and the potential moat and total addressable market that might place and fill, there's going to be a lot of competition in that space. So anyway, Tesla and Microsoft have been sparring, and with that in mind, it should be taken into account that in 2022 middle, Elon Musk promised that Tesla would enhance its legal team so it would be more assertive. And I previously did a video on that to track the growth of Tesla's in-house legal team since June of 2022. And the fact that there was a lot of quality talent that was there, and that talent, in essence, fit with the talent of the rest of the company, of the rest of the talent in the rest of the company. So it was clear that since then that Tesla has acted more assertively, at least with regard to its internal legal department. And again, that started around June of 2022 when the additions started, and I think they're ongoing. So, notwithstanding that, with regard to Tesla's current position as to Microsoft, I don't know what their end goal is. But I do know that Tesla will be much more assertive in protecting its rights. So the dispute I'm talking about between Tesla and Microsoft arose after Microsoft announced it had developed an AI language model called Turing. That's obviously a reference to the original computer. and claimed that it was the most powerful of its kind. Elon Musk countered that statement by asserting that Tesla's AI technology was much more advanced. Elon accused Microsoft of overstating their AI capabilities and the capabilities of its systems. Microsoft then responded that its system was the most powerful language model in existence. Apparently, Elon has instructed the legal team to prepare, although I'm not sure he's instructed them to file, a lawsuit against Microsoft for false advertising and unfair competition. And I'm speculating here, but false advertising in asserting the capabilities and supremacy of the Microsoft system, unfair competition relating to acts relating to misrepresenting capabilities, and other facts to be addressed. And whether Tesla goes forward and files the action probably again depends on Tesla's goal. Elon is pissed. I think he's pissed. I'm speaking for him, so I may be wrong. Because when he got out of OpenAI, which is the company that Microsoft now has control over, it was a non-profit, and it was his understanding it was to remain as such. It's no longer non-profit, and one of Elon's former important team members, Andrej Karpathy, went there, and this displeasure, I think, is reflected in Elon's position. He stopped following Andrej, for example, on Twitter. So he may be hurt, besides everything else, Elon may be hurt too, and acting out of emotion, which would be understandable if he believed that some former members also stabbed him in the back. I was wondering if Elon pursues legal action, if there will also be claims for thefts of intellectual property and perhaps even fraud in how Elon sold out his interest in OpenAI, the name of the company, or it was done on false pretenses. But most importantly, could he seek an injunction to stop any further development of the OpenAI? That could happen. He certainly could seek to enjoin further development if he had a claim of theft of intellectual property or some other claim that was compelling to a court. I really don't know if Elon is attempting just to slow down AI as he suggested in the letter he signed, which also included Steve Wozniak, which was interesting because they obviously don't see eye to eye. And if that's the means to the end, if the lawsuit would be a means to kind of just slowing down the process. However, it's likely that if a battle ensued between the Microsoft and Tesla, that it will occur in federal court, and that it will have the effect of slowing down AI development, and other developers of AI technology may follow suit by slowing down just to see how the litigation plays out. If Elon is just trying to bolster the reputation of Tesla's AI or has other goals, I'm sure that will play out in time over the coming months. In the interim, since this is a potentially huge dispute, as legal developments occur, I will keep you updated. If this goes forward in court, this will be a heavyweight bout with very high-priced legal talent involved. We have to wait to see what the claims turn out to be and what the ultimate goal is. But it remains to be seen that it will be, if it occurs, probably amongst the most important litigation in this decade. Anyway, take care, be well, and let's see what turns out, see if any of the stuff I said is not nonsense. Take care and have a great day.